Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this 3D jar box die set. So it looks like this, and you can open it like so. And this is the die set, so let me explain it for you first. So this is the basic piece, so you need to cut it 2 times to make the front and back side. And I cut extra pieces, so I cut 2 with the basic white store paper, and then I cut 2 with the pattern paper. And this is the piece to make the shaker, so you need to cut it 1 time with the foam, and the other time with the like your cardstock, just to make the front side of your shaker. And then for this piece, you need to cut it also 2 times. But I also cut it 2 times with the white cardstock and 2 times with the pattern paper. And for this piece, you need to cut it 1 time. See in the white cardstock. And then for this inner piece, you need to cut it 1 time to make the layering piece. And for this piece, you need to cut it 2 times to make the backing piece, and 2 times with this one to make this one the layering piece. And then for this one and these ones, I all cut them 1 time each. And then also, I almost forget about it, but this one you also need to cut 1 time again with the acetate paper, because you need to make a shaker, right? So these are how the dies are going to cut, and I'll put it aside. So let's get started for this piece. Okay, so let's make this box part first. So first we need to stick the layering pieces on top of this size part. And now fold all the folding lines. So I'll add glue on this part and push this piece to make it line up well. So it's like this. And now we also need to folding all the tabs down. And for this part, let's trim it off at this part. So not only trim off this glue flap part, but trim it extra pieces, so this could line better. And now adding glue on this flap part. So for this backing piece, I add glue on these tabs because it's really hard, because this box is very narrower, so it's hard to use the same way as we did as the previous way. Yeah, I tried that way, but it's really hard. So this time I will do it like so. Just add glue on the tabs and push them. So I'm trying to finish it as better as I could. Well, I think it's better, to add a tape, double-sided tape here, because it dries very fast. Yeah, I suggest doing that in that way with the double-sided tape. Then it can have a better way of making this part. Okay, I think I gave up on this way because it's really hard to glue it in this way. So I will use double-sided tape. So we can also, add the tape here. And now trim off the extras. Now let's do it in this way. Yeah, this would be much better. See, when you push it, it will stick right away. So it really makes it so much easier to use this double-sided tape. Okay, so this part is finished, and don't worry about this tape because we will going to add a layering piece on top, so it will hide all these pieces. And yeah, the double-sided tape really makes it way more easier to finish this box part because it's just a very tiny, very narrower part box. So yeah, we need double-sided tape for this one. Okay, let's make the front side and back side just by adding the layering piece. So we can't see the glue flaps inside. And now let's add in the foam part on top. And this is the acetate and the front piece, and we can glue them together. And let's put some sequins inside. And add glue to close the shaker part. So it's like this way, and let's put it aside and make this top part. So also first glue this layering piece on top. So we can also use double-sided tape to make it, because this is also going to be a curved part, and using the tape will make it much more easier to finish it. And now folding the tabs. So glue this first two tabs here. And folding it back like so. So this part is ready, and let's finish the other part. Just pushing the tabs to stick on the double-sided tape. Okay, now let's add this piece on top just to hide all the double-sided tape. So now we can close the box, because this is a very, very tight fit box. So first you need to stuck it inside. It's quite tight. See, like this. And for this part, we also need to add this piece here. And there is a layered bow. So you can layer this bow. Just add a little glue in the center. And layer it like so. So it's like a real, the tight bow. And I think it's so cute for this bow. And now add it in the front. Okay, like so. We can also add a germ here. So this top part is ready. And there is also a small tag here. I forgot to cut it out, this piece in the die set. And you can write, write word on top. Okay, this part haven't dried yet, so I can't close the box right now. You need to wait this shaker part dry. Then you are able to close your box. Otherwise, because this is a very tight close, then if your shaker part haven't dried, then all the shaker piece will fall out. So yeah, let me use this one to fix it on top. See, when here you can see that. Okay, yeah. See, it looks like this when you put your lid on top. So if you don't add this shaker part in the front, the box will fit, not this tight. But both way is okay that you could use to fit. If you want to make it bigger, you can use the box making strip to make it just a bigger size. So this is the tutorial for today. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.